Actually, the most immediate opportunity for most manufacturers is to wake up and realize they need to change. I think that, manufacturing has really not changed much in the last 20 or 30 or 40 years even. People are still doing, standalone systems that aren't connected to their IT systems, that aren't connected to each other, and there's a real opportunity to learn about how that can be different. There's a real power in connectivity. The internet obviously changed a lot of big industries. It formed, hugely disruptive. Actually, Gartner says that the smart machine era will be the most disruptive in the history of IT, and that includes, little things like PCs and microprocessors and smartphones and the internet, and that means that there's going to be, big new companies that come out of this. There's also going to be some companies that ended. So, the previous disruption that created Google and Microsoft and Facebook and on and on and on, and this new disruption is going to also end industries like what happened to Borders and Nokia and Blockbuster and maybe taxis pretty soon. You have to define what the industry is first. So the first question is, what is the industry you're changing? I think the industries there's a new industry arising, which really is the industrial internet industry, just like there's an internet industry. And a lot of companies are going to have to realize that they're now part of that industry, and where they were very focused on a small piece of what they're doing, they think of themselves as a sensor technology for oil and gas or something. In reality, they're now becoming part of a much bigger picture, and that bigger picture is really exciting. It's a great place for people to go and find new homes in this future world. And we work on many exciting things. We work on cars that drive themselves and planes that fly themselves and air traffic control that can actually deal with unmanned vehicles, and power systems that can make much better use of distributed energy like solar, which is sadly not very efficient today, and hospital systems that can check up on doctors and maybe save 300,000 plus lives a year. There's really an opportunity to fundamentally transform a lot of the ways many things are done out there, and we're really excited to see that going on here. I think smart industry as a concept is great. I think the idea of getting media companies that are building brands around the transformation happening across industries is really exciting. I think that a lot of the speakers here have been really good and from a lot of different industries. It's really, they're targeting manufacturing, but I think there's a lot of people from aviation and power systems and all sorts of different kinds of industries. I really think the power of the industrial Internet of Things is really the merging of these kind of architectures into something that is much greater than the individual pieces. It really is a new industry. We're very excited to be part of that industry, and smart industry looks like a great place to be part of that.